Overcoming Barriers to Corporate Training, a Strategic Framework for Success. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The term training pertains to a form of learning that aims to enhance specific job-related skills in an employee's present position. On the other hand, development encompasses a wider range of knowledge and abilities that are geared towards long-term career advancement and progression within an organization. Organizations face significant challenges in implementing effective training programs. This paper aims to analyze the challenges faced by organizations in implementing effective corporate training programs. It examines common issues such as limited budgets, employee resistance, and difficulty measuring impact. The primary objective of this study is to present a comprehensive framework for addressing persistent training obstacles by doing a thorough analysis of the difficulties, offering evidence-based solutions, and recommending avenues for future improvement. The study employed a qualitative literature review methodology to examine the difficulties encountered in corporate training programs and suggest potential remedies. A comprehensive analysis was conducted by reviewing more than 40 publications published between 1985 and 2022 to determine the prevailing issues that have been reported in previous studies. To address budget constraints, the paper proposes communicating the return on investment from training. Various metrics for evaluating impact and return on investment are also discussed. To overcome resistance, training needs to be designed as practical and relevant. The implementation of comprehensive needs assessments before the development of training programs is also essential for achieving favorable outcomes. The paper concludes that adopting a strategic approach targeting the root causes of these challenges can maximize the effectiveness of training in developing employee skills and improving organizational performance. By leveraging suitable resources, implementing well-structured programs, and establishing quantifiable outcomes, firms may maximize the advantages derived from efficient employee training and development. Future research should explore the optimal strategies used by industries that have successfully implemented training and development initiatives. Introduction. In today's fast-changing and highly competitive world, organizations must continually improve their workforce to stay ahead. This means investing in both training and development activities. Training helps employees improve the skills they need for their current job, while development prepares them for future roles. Together, these efforts boost employee motivation, improve performance, and help companies become more competitive. However, businesses often face challenges when trying to run effective training programs. These include limited budgets, employee resistance to training, and poor evaluation of training outcomes. If training isn't clearly linked to business benefits, it's hard to justify the costs or get staff fully on board. This study explores these challenges in depth and suggests practical solutions, like showing the return on investment, designing relevant programs, and using better ways to measure training success. The goal is to help companies create training programs that are both effective and efficient. By understanding what gets in the way and how to fix it, businesses can improve their workforce and overall performance. Although the study draws from existing research and not new data, it offers a useful roadmap for improving corporate training strategies and highlights areas for future study. Conclusions. Training and development programs are crucial for improving employee skills and helping businesses meet their goals. However, many organizations face challenges such as limited budgets, employee resistance, and difficulties in measuring training effectiveness. Financial constraints often lead companies to reduce training hours or limit the scope of programs, which can reduce the potential benefits. Additionally, employees may resist training if they feel it's irrelevant or a waste of time, especially if they believe they already have the necessary skills. Another issue is the lack of clear metrics to measure the success of training, making it harder to justify continued investment. Despite these challenges, well-designed training programs can increase productivity, reduce turnover, and save costs. Organizations can maximize the benefits of training by addressing these issues, ensuring the training is relevant, and using proper evaluation methods to demonstrate its impact. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.